The Detroit Free Press reported that a tank used for storing an oil and brine solution exploded at General Motors' Milford Proving Ground in Michigan. The incident reportedly damaged 2 nearby homes, but did not cause any injuries. Brighton Fire Authority Chief Michael O'Brien stated that the explosion occurred in a leased section of the proving ground, which houses multiple wells and tanks for crude oil production and crude oil, brine, and natural gas storage. One tank reportedly suffered a catastrophic failure, leading to an explosion. Texas-based White Rock Oil and Gas owns and operates the affected tank, but had begun the process to transfer ownership to Colorado-based T2 Operating Corp. Fire crews responded to the explosion and contained the fire in less than an hour. The area lacked hydrants, so the tanker trucks had to supply water. O'Brien added that the crews used foam, a standard response to situations that involve flammable and combustible liquids or gases. According to O'Brien, residents up to 6 miles away felt the explosion. Still, the incident only caused damages to homes located approximately 200 feet from the site. However, the blast did reportedly cause, quote, decent damage to one of the homes. A spokesperson from the Michigan Department of Environment, Great Lakes, and Energy stated that the explosion and fire did not impact groundwater and added that drinking water remained unaffected. GM said it would investigate the cause along with state and fire officials and the well owner. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.